Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another Amazon makeup haul. I've got some amazing and exciting affordable makeup products which I use to create this whole face of summer makeup. This is very easy and simple to create but packs so much of punch. Of course, I had to do this bright and hot red lipstick for the summer. I love these kind of lipsticks for the summers. So Amazon has their mega fashion weekend sale going on. The sale is going on Amazon on every weekend in the month of April, which starts from Friday and ends on Sunday. Not to mention, Amazon has a bunch of quality products with so much of discount, and my favorite part is that they have a super quick delivery. You get all of these products in a day, which is so cool. So if you want to know what I got from the spring summer fashion sale from Amazon, then please do continue watching. Also, I let my natural hair shine through for today's look. I've not styled it with hair tools or anything. It is raw and purely natural. Anyway, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first product that I have is from the house of Miss Claire, which is their Eyebrow Cake. Now this is the very popular eyebrow kit. Many people on the internet seem to be loving this product. This product also looks extremely similar to my pack eyebrow kit, which I absolutely love. So I definitely wanted to give a try on the Miss Claire one as well. So it's a clear packaging with 4 different eyebrow products inside. It goes from very light shade of eyebrow powder and moves on to a darker shade of eyebrow powder. And also you get this really good angled and spoolie brush along with it, which comes in super handy, and this is the perfect kind of brush to groom your eyebrows. I use the combination of these 3 darker shades of eyebrow powders to fill in my eyebrows, and I do think it looks really nice. It's got a good consistency for an eyebrow product. Applies very easily. Also, the brush that comes along with the eyebrow kit is also super useful. Eyebrow powders are very easy in general to use, so I absolutely love the Miss Claire eyebrow kit. The next product that I got from the spring summer sale from Amazon is an amazing concealer from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 50 and it is called Cafe. Now this concealer is a repurchase because I have completely gone through my older concealer. Love, absolutely love the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. It is such a good one. Has about medium to buildable kind of a coverage, and the shade Cafe is such a good match on myself. It is exactly the color of my skin tone, so I can absolutely use this to conceal any blemishes, dark circles, pigmentation, whatever. So I just put this all over my face literally today. Since I did not use any foundation for today's look, I just used this concealer all over my face, and it did such a fantastic job in covering up and evening out my entire skin tone. Just look at my face. It doesn't look like I do not have foundation. It is so flawless and so even and smooth. The consistency of this concealer is also amazing, super blendable, very smooth and pretty long lasting in my opinion. This concealer range has some really good shade options as well, and right now it's on an amazing discount on the spring summer sale on Amazon, so do check it out. Then to sort of set my base and add a bit more coverage and even everything further, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Again, this is a repurchase. The shade that I have is 330 Toffee Caramel, which is a very close match to my skin tone again. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but with a concealer or a foundation underneath and set with this compact powder, it looks absolutely flawless. Love the finish and texture of this powder. It's very velvety matte on the skin and blurs out all your pores and imperfections and gives your skin such a beautiful and smooth finish. For summers, honestly, I like to skip on the foundation part because it becomes too heavy with all the heat and sweat. So just a little bit of concealer and a compact powder like this one to feel so much more comfortable and lightweight for the summers. Now the packaging of the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder is a little bit bulky, as you can see. You've got the compact powder on the top, and underneath you've got the mirror and the sponge applicator. It's a very good compact powder, especially if you have oily skin types like I do. It lasts very well on the skin as well for the summers, and I absolutely highly recommend the Fit Me Compact Powder. Then I have a very exciting and new launch from Maybelline, which is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Setting Spray. This is a fairly new launch in India. I got this around 500 rupees or so, and oh my god, I absolutely love this setting spray. Again, if you have oily skin, you're gonna love this setting spray. This is quickly becoming my favorite setting spray. It comes in this beautiful velvety matte bottle, and inside you have a spray nozzle to spray out the setting spray, and it's such a lovely teal turquoise kind of a color and a transparent kind of a cap. Honestly, the packaging reminds me a lot of the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. It's very similar to this one, but this is such a good mattifying setting spray. So like I said, if you have oily skin, you're gonna love this setting spray. It definitely does make your makeup last so much longer, especially during the summers. This is such a great product to have. I use this setting spray as a primer underneath my base makeup as well as to set my entire makeup once everything was on, and it is doing such a fantastic job in holding everything in place and also helps in meshing and melting your makeup and skin blend very well. Controls your oil to a great extent, which is super important in a setting spray in my opinion. I absolutely highly recommend the Maybelline Fit Me setting spray, especially if you have oily skin types, and it is so affordable. Just go ahead and pick this up. Then I have a bronzer from the brand MyGlamm, and this is called their Pose bronzer. Had my eyes on this product from really long and finally I picked it up. So this is in the shade 001 Cinnamon. It's called their HD Bronzer Duo, and it looks something like this inside. I don't think they have another shade option in this one because this is the only shade that I could find on the Amazon website. So basically it's got two different shades of bronzers. When I tilt the bronzer like so, you can see there are two different shades in here. But what I did was I just swirled my brush into the bronzer on both the shades and then applied it on my perimeters of the face as well as to contour my nose, under my lip. Also applied a little bit of this bronzer on my crease to add a very slight definition on my eyes. Now I absolutely love how ultra fine and smooth this bronzer is. It looks absolutely beautiful and gorgeous on the cheeks. The finish is completely matte. It doesn't have any shimmer particles, which is a really good thing. However, the shade Cinnamon is not as dark as I would like my bronzer to be. It's a very subtle, natural kind of a bronzer, as you can see. Probably I would like to wear this kind of a bronzer during the daytime when I do not want much of a definition on my skin, sort of for no makeup looks. I really wish that they bring out more deeper shades in this bronzer because it is such a good quality bronzer and it was super affordable too. I picked up a blush from Blue Heaven, and this is called their Shimmer Matte Blush, which is such a contradictory name for a blusher. Shimmer and matte in one blush. I totally do not get it. But anyway, so this is called their Diamond Blush On, and the number is 503, which is a very bright corally red kind of a color, as you can see. It's got a very strong floral scent to it. This was just for ₹100 or something like that. It was so affordable. It's a vibrant corally red color with a little bit of a golden sheen. The sheen is not too shimmery on the cheeks, which I absolutely like because sometimes these kind of shimmery blushes can overpower your texture on the skin, which I absolutely despise. It is decently pigmented and has a very soft golden sheen on the cheeks. Looks pretty in my opinion. The product is so affordable that even beginners can get their hands on it. These kind of blushes pair so well with such hot, bright red color. So if you're into bright red lipsticks like this one, then you should absolutely try these kind of red tone blushes. It looks absolutely fantastic. Then I have another product from Maybelline, which is their Line Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Again, this was on my wish list for the longest time and I finally picked it up on a great discount from Amazon. So this is called their Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. So it comes in this beautiful and sleek packaging, and inside you have a felt tip applicator. I absolutely love these kind of felt tip pen type eyeliners on myself because they are basically super easy to use, and especially if you're into winged eyeliners, these kind of pen type eyeliners come in so handy. So this is what I have on my eyes as a winged eyeliner today, and as you can see, it's such a beautiful jet black matte eyeliner pen. The tip is also really nice. It's got a nice thickness on the bottom and a very slender and pointy tip on the top. So it allows you to create thick or thin line according to your wish or liking. Now this is a very black, intense jet black color, which I absolutely love in pen type eyeliners or eyeliners in general, and it doesn't have any shine or sheen whatsoever. It is completely matte, which again I absolutely love. I love matte and jet black eyeliners in general, and this just gives me everything that I want. And also it is in a pen form, so it's a dream come true eyeliner for me. It is really good. The consistency is also super nice and fluidy. It's not a stiff thick kind of a consistency. So I was impressed with this eyeliner and I absolutely love the Maybelline liner tattoo. Again, I have a repurchase, and now this is from the brand called Mars Cosmetics, which is absolutely one of my favorite affordable brands. So this is their Fabulash Mascara. My older Fabulash Mascara has kind of dried up and nothing is left. So I definitely wanted to pick another one because I'm such a huge fan of this mascara. It is so affordable, yet it is so high in quality. This can literally be compared to any high-end mascaras that are available in the market. It is so good. If I have to suggest just one mascara from the affordable range, this would be it. This is such a good one. I have the black and rose gold packaging. It's got a huge wand. So it looks something like this. So it just hugs your eyelashes so nicely and coats everything with so much definition, volume and length. Basically everything that you require in a mascara you get from this amazing affordable mascara. I absolutely highly recommend this one. So the first lipstick that I picked up is the Rene Cosmetics liquid lipstick. So this is called the Check Matte liquid lipstick, and I have the shade Tower of Wine, which is such a beautiful berry plum kind of a tone. I absolutely love the packaging of this lipstick. It's a cute little tiny tube, and inside you have a stunning doe foot applicator. Love, 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 absolutely love the formula of this liquid lipstick. It's a beautiful moussey consistency when you apply it, and it dries down to such a beautiful velvety matte finish. Very transfer proof, smudge proof, lightweight, comfortable. Whatever you require from a liquid lipstick, this gives you that. Really like this plummy color as well. Even without a lip liner, I could easily pull this off on my skin tone. Love it. Super affordable yet such great quality liquid lipstick. I absolutely highly recommend it. Got it on a good discount from Amazon, so do check it out. Okay, now the bright hot red lipstick that you see on my face is from this brand called Sery, and this is their Stay On Matte liquid lip color, and the shade that I have is called Showstopper. Now this brand is a very new brand for me. I have not tried this particular brand ever. I always keep seeing this brand whenever I shop on Amazon, but I never really had a chance to pick it up. So I just thought of trying something new. So as you can see, it's a see-through regular liquid lipstick container, and inside you have your standard doe foot applicator. The thing that I absolutely love about this liquid lipstick is the color. It is such a stunning hot red color, which is so appropriate for the summers. It's a red with a very slight hint of orange and just makes your entire face glow and brighten up, which I absolutely love about this lipstick. But I do not feel how thick and uncomfortable it feels on my lips. It's a very thick formula. Also, it takes a while to dry down to a matte finish. It dries down to a transfer proof, smudge proof matte finish, but I do not like how this feels on my lips. It's very heavy. It's not the most lightweight, comfortable formula. I would just pick this up only for the color, but not so much for the formula. It also kind of emphasizes the lines on my lips, which I'm not a huge fan of. I totally forgot about to mention about these amazing eyelashes from Swiss Beauty. If you follow me, you know that I absolutely love the Swiss Beauty eyelashes. They have a million style of eyelashes. But whatever I have seen so far from Swiss Beauty are a little bit on the dramatic side when it comes to eyelashes. I think this is a fairly new style of eyelashes that they have come up with, and this is in the style, this is called Open Eyes, and it is such a beautiful natural wispy kind of a eyelash. I think they were lacking this kind of a natural style from their eyelash range, and finally I'm very happy that they came up with this particular style of eyelash because it is such a beautiful one. Especially if you like natural eyelashes, this is the one to go for. It is so super affordable, such excellent quality of eyelash. This is just under ₹100 and it is excellent quality eyelash. I absolutely highly recommend it to everybody watching. So I picked up a few makeup tools as well. So the first thing that I picked up is this beauty blender from Inside Cosmetics. So it comes in this plastic packaging. It's just called their Beauty Blender Sponge Applicator. I picked it up in this hot pink color, very standard color for a beauty blender. When this was dry, I definitely felt like it was a little bit hard. but after running it under water and squeezing the excess out of it, it definitely became a lot more softer and bouncier and blended my makeup so nicely. I definitely wasn't expecting this from this beauty blender, but it did such a fantastic job in blending out the concealer that I had. Gave a very smooth and flawless finish on my skin. I absolutely loved it. Again, this beauty blender was just around 100 rupees and it is such a good one. I think I really like this beauty blender after my Mars Cosmetics beauty blender. That is also really good. I think I found a new affordable beauty blender from Inside Cosmetics. This is so good as well. Then I got this 11-piece brush set. This is from a brand called MAC Plus. However, there is a label of BH Cosmetics on the top of the brush cap. This is on an excellent discount on Amazon right now. This whole set is just for 530 rupees. Would you believe that? And also you get a brush holder also. This is such a great steal deal. Especially if you're a beginner, you might want to pick this up because it has really good brushes. They're very soft and fluffy. 3 face brushes and the rest are all eye brushes. There is a blending brush, a smudging brush, a concealer brush, lip brush, and a bunch of different brushes as well. I wish they had another eyeshadow applicator kind of a brush and another buffing brush for your face. The fact that it comes along with this brush holder is just, it is such a good deal to pick it up. I love the color of this brush holder as well. It's a very cute little color. These brushes have a black and pink polka dot detailing on them. It will come in super handy for me whenever I'm traveling or something like that because I do have a brush holder along with the brushes. So those were all the beauty products that I bought from the Amazon Spring Summer sale. Do check out their mega fashion weekend. All the products that I used in today's video will be listed in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye! It is decently pigmented and has a very, it is decently pigmented and yet it is so high in quality. Yet it is so high in quality. I mean, I love it. I really like the color as well. And the fact that it comes with this brush holder, it is such a good deal to pick it up. Basically everything that you require from a mascara, this just delivers it. But what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, Arya?